Hey, I want to share with y'all something that I just heard in my spirit as I'm playing with my plants, getting them together. So, these two rose bushes, this one and this one, and the third one I have out on the front porch because I had to prune it, so I got to make sure it gets some sun. So, let's look at these two. So these two I had pruned. They grew a lot, but I put them in my backyard. These were the bushes that you may have seen on another video where I had changed the soil. Well, I want you to notice the leaves are darker and the little branches are thicker. It's a more hardy plant. And this is a new rose that came in.